Hi guys, my name is Mike Reyes. I'm the owner of Mars Off-Road and Automotive Repair, and I'm also the president of the Cheyenne Volleyball League. Reasons I'm here, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Cheyenne, Wyoming, and why I like it here and how long I've lived here. I've lived in Cheyenne for over 26 years. I came up here as a little immigrant from Mexico, and I've learned to speak English. And there's a couple things that I like to tell you why I like Cheyenne. One, Cheyenne is a small town mentality with a lot of options like a big city. We have a lot of things for kids, we have a lot of things for adults. Some of the things that we have for kids are sports. Big thing for me, I love sports. We have soccer, we have volleyball, we have football, and we have baseball for kiddos. So that's one of the things that I love about Cheyenne. The other thing I love about Cheyenne is Cheyenne Frontier Days. Who doesn't like Cheyenne Frontier Days? The most festive, fun, party time, and in family time as well. The other thing I like about Cheyenne is the 4th of July. You know, I love going out to the park, watching the fireworks show, and enjoying that. The other thing, the last part about Cheyenne that I love is the people of Cheyenne. I love the people, they're hospitable, they're kind, and they're always willing to help. So that's why I choose Cheyenne as my home. Thank you.